Okay guys, I'm Train Spotter HD and welcome back to another train zap. And now we're at Ealing Broadway. Just show you this one going by. Master AT 800-321. Got a tube service going out. So services you'll be seeing in this video by Great West as another tube service going out. So train services you'll be seeing in this video be by Great Western Railway, TfL Rail, you'll be seeing the tube trains, and with any luck we will see a freight. Which is why I come to Ealing Broadway, and plus it's the first time me recording here at Ealing Broadway. What do I think of the station? I gotta say it's pretty decent. It looks like they're doing it out. You got the tube section over there, and then you got the main station here, and you got the passing on over the other side. I don't think they use the other side, it's just this side for passenger services. So yeah, it should be made for a good video. I'm going to try and make this as long as I can, hopefully probably in between 20 minutes to half an hour long. So yeah, we'll be back in a few minutes with some more trains. Hey guys, we're back. Got another tube train coming into Ealing Broadway. 163 on the train. I see another train coming in, so we'll keep the camera rolling.
This train is currently between Acton Main Line and Ealing Broadway.
So we'll get a good clear sight of the TfL rail services in this video. 360-201 is on this one. It's going to Heathrow Airport. Okay, we'll be back in a few minutes with some more trains. Okay guys, back to come zooming by will be an empty coach and stock 3 class 387 Great Western Railway train from London Paddington going to Reading Train Care Depot. (387-155). Okay guys, next train of the video, we've got a whole host of tube trains coming in. One on the Circle line and one on the other line. It's I think that was 91259 is the number on the tube. As we have a TfL rail service just arrived, going to London Paddington. See that go out very shortly. Okay, back to the part now. Be a TfL rail service to London Paddington. 345055. We saw this at London Paddington earlier on. As I'm going to turn your attention to this way, guys, as we got a, looks to be an IET pass. Not sure for where. Got the tube train now going out as well. They certainly zoom through those IETs. Okay guys, we're back. Coming in now will be a Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. You might see some of the same trains you saw at Paddington earlier this morning. So I think we've seen that 387144 earlier on as well. So I'll just get what I can on camera. It's quite handy that they got the tube train, well, the tube part of the station next to the actual main station here at Ealing Broadway. So that's handy. So yeah, I think we'll keep the camera rolling because I believe we got the Great Western Railway service to London Paddington back to the park. I think. I'm going to keep the camera rolling or not, guys. Well, that's not the part yet, but we got a tube train going out. And we'll keep the camera rolling more as we got a TfL rail service coming in.
The next train to arrive at platform 3 will be the 1551 TfL rail service to Reading, calling at Southall, Hayes and Harlington, West Drayton, Ivor, Langley.
Again, this might be a train that we might have seen this morning. 345057. Actually, I don't think we've seen that one. I don't think we have. And this one is indeed going to Reading. Right, looks like I see another train about to come down. So I will continue to keep the camera rolling. I'm guessing it will be an IET. So you got another true train coming in, 91253. 800-031 is the number on that one, just a 5-coach one. Thinking that might be from Great Malvern then. Excellent. We've still got this Great Western Railway service over on platform, don't know what platform that is. Platform 1, is it? I think. Still there. Still hasn't left. Is he going to leave or not? I think he's going to leave because seen the lights go out on the side of the train, so I'm assuming it's about to depart. Yeah, it's departing now, so we'll keep the camera rolling even more. 387144 is at the front. Three 156 at the back. Okay guys, well we got 2 trains coming up. One is a pass, Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Swansea. (802-014) on that one. And we turn your attention this way, we've got a TfL service coming in, going to Hayes and Harnerton. 345061 is on this one. I don't think we've seen this one yet either. This is a long one. Just about fits the platform, I'm guessing. Oh, still moving. Still moving. There we go. Okay guys, well I'm guessing you'll be seeing services from Heathrow Express as well, because we've got one coming up the line. This is from Heathrow Terminal 5. That's the same one we saw already at Paddington, 332012, and we got a tube train going out now. You might see the same old tube trains going backwards and forwards. I just put them in the video for the sake of it. We got a tube train coming departing, and trying to keep with all this. We got an IT passing by. Bloody hell, guys! That is Trainbow 800-008. Yeah, trying to keep up with all this, guys. And TfL rail service to Hayes and Harnerton is about to depart as well. Okay, that was a busy few minutes. Two tube trains going out, a TfL rail service coming in, and a IT goes zooming through. If you turn your attention this way, I'll keep the camera rolling even more. We have another tube train coming in. So my main reason why I came here is because there is a freight coming through, and it's the first time I'm recording here, of course, as well. So I want to get stations that, you know, I might not get to for a while again. Quite like those tube trains, the ones that come on to the top line. And that's come from Upminster apparently. Excellent. Is there anything else coming that's going to catch me off guard? Let's have a look, guys. Nope. Okay, we'll be back in a few minutes with, well, you guessed it, some more trains. Okay guys, we're back at Ealing Broadway and we got a TfL rail service coming in. And this one is going to, where is this going to? Paddington, of course. Where else would it go? And we got a Great Western IET about to come zooming through from Bristol to Meads. So I think I just about caught the numbers on that. 800-019 and 800-004. Okay then guys, back in a few seconds. Got another tube tray coming in, 91167 on this one. As we got the TfL rail service back to depart as well. Heathrow Express 332004 going to Heathrow Terminal 5. And we'll keep the camera only more because I can see another IET coming down. I think we did see that IET earlier at Paddington. Now returning back to Paddington. Okay guys, we're back. Got the tube train now going out. Not sure the destination, but I'll have a check. Got a TfL rail service coming in. Three 345-006, we did see that earlier on at Paddington. Okay guys, well these tube trays are quite frequently in there. Another tube tray coming in. Oh look, another TfL rail service just arrived. That one's going to Paddington and one's going to Reading. Wouldn't mind that as a thumbnail. Okay. Oh, guess what guys? Another tube train's coming in. So I might as well record the tube trains of course, because it's, you know, it's right next to the station. This is from Dagenham East. Got the TfL rail service to Paddington now leaving, 345-044 on that one. Okay, there we go then, guys. Yes, those ITs do catch me off guard. I was double one. Didn't catch the numbers on that one though, unfortunately. Well, might as well call this tube train coming in. This one is not in service one. As that tube train comes in, I'll turn your attention to this way as we got another IT about to go zooming by. Those, like I said, those ITs just have tremendous speed. They really do. And I'll go keep the camera rolling even more as I can see another IT about to come down. And you guessed it, another TFL service coming down as well. Well, I caught a number on that one, 802110. Not sure where it's going to though. Turn your attention this way as we got a TFL service coming in, going to Heathrow Terminal 5. This one's going to, apparently. Okay, so they don't all go to Reading then. Train of the 345055. TFL service, see you for Terminal 5 now leaving. Okay guys, coming in now will be a tube train, another tube train. 91321 is the number on this one.
Sunday between 9:15 and 22:30. Trains will not be running between Paddington and Ealing Broadway. For Central London, please use the
Got a TFL service just coming, guys. Going to, yeah, you guessed it, London Paddington, 36204 on that one. I think we did see that at the start of the video, if I remember rightly. And I will keep the camera rolling because I can see down in the far distance we've got a IT about to come, yeah, you guessed it, and zoom through. This one's from Hereford. As we got another tube train coming in. I think I caught that, 800-307 I think the number was on that one. Got a TFL rail service leaving as well. I'm going to stay here until that freight train comes through, which is around about 4:30, as we have another tube train coming in on the upper line, well, the slightly upper line. This is from Tower Hill, I believe. It says on that the tube train is going out as well. Is a not in service one. Okay. Is there anything else coming? No, there isn't. So we'll come back in a few minutes with... Well, we'll come back in a few seconds with some more trains. Apparently there's going to be a train coming through platform 4, which will be that line over there. I'm not sure what that will be though, but we'll find out. Okay guys, we're back. Looks to be a Great Western... I don't think... is it a service? I'm assuming it will be. I'm not sure actually. Apparently this is not stopping here though. 387 166 at the front. As we have another TfL rail service coming in. .387 170 at the back. This is an empty coach and stop movement then, this Great Western Railway train. Looks to be going maybe to Paddington, that Great Western Railway train. This TfL service is coming in, going to Reading. 345047 is the number on this train. IT coming through. I think that was AO2013 and AO2014, so that's tidy. Not sure where that is coming from though. Okay guys, got Great Western Railway service to London Paddington coming in. So it's formed of 2 class 387s as we have another tube train coming in. 387 163 is at the front of this one. Also, we've seen plenty of tube trains going in and out because they're quite frequent, they are, the tubes. It's been a good... I haven't been here for long. Again, I've seen quite a few trains here at Ealing Broadway. I'm quite impressed. I'm just waiting for this freight train to come through. It's running a bit later now, so I'm not going in until I see that freight. It's come from Eastleigh Yard. It is, this freight will be. So the other 2 traders going out now, going back to Dagenham East. You got to be on the lookout, guys, if you want to film a video here. It does get busy. Trains going in and out every so often, like the same as London Paddington. Okay, well, I think that will do for now. We'll wait for this Great Western Railway service from Didcot Parkway to London Paddington about to go out, so we'll come back then. Okay guys, about to come through now will be a Heathrow Express from Heathrow Terminal 5 going to London Paddington. Three 332-001. It's the number on that train. I just love it when the trains go zooming through. And well, you guessed it, we got a TfL rail service coming in. Probably seen this one before. 345043, we might have, I'm not sure. I'm going to keep the camera rolling because we got a IT about to come zooming through. I think that was 802103, the number on that IT. Okay, turning attention this way, we've got that Great Eastern Railway service to Paddington now going out. (380-158) in the middle, 380-145 at the back. Didn't expect that to be a is that a 12 coach? I think it is. And we got the TfL rail service to Hayes and Harton now going out as well. So that freight train is not too far away now, guys. About 5 or so minutes away. So yeah, come back soon. I was about to say come back in a few minutes, but it looks like we may have another train passing by on platform 2. So we'll keep the camera rolling. Let's be an IET as always. Let me know if you're enjoying this video here at Ealing Broadway, guys. Like I said, first time me recording at this station. Thought I'd come here, I may not get another chance. Weather is pretty decent today, has been. Well, that's a double IT, guys. Obviously going to London Paddington, of course. No idea where it's come from. I have no idea what the numbers are. I can only try my best, guys, when the trains go zooming through about catching the numbers. Yes. Okay, guys, we're back. Got another 2 train coming in. Might as well record this for the sake of the video. 91-211 is the number on this one. Got a TfL rail service coming in, going to London Paddington. Probably seen that before. Got another 2 train coming in, guys, and 1 going out.
This Sunday between 9:15 and 22:30, trains will be running between Paddington and Ealing Broadway. Central London, please use the Central and District lines.
You know, despite the train services only at 85%, it's still bloody busy. So I will give it that. A lot of trains go, you know, go through and that. Now is that train I can see down there finally that freight train I've been waiting for? Well, I have to wait and find out if it is. So yeah, that TfL rail service will be going to Paddington. Probably seen that train before, but we will We will record it going out. Heathrow Express going through. Gotta love the trains go zooming through on those two tracks. Yeah, well, I think we're seeing the same TfL rail services going up and down, up and down. 345 061, we've seen this many times. Okay guys, we finally got that freight train about to come through. I'm going to end the video with this freight train. This is coming from Eastleigh Yard, a train load of 600 tons. DC Rail Freight 60046 is on the train. Looks like it's carrying well, what's it called? So it's carrying ballast, that's it. Well, there you go guys, that can't be too bad. Managed to catch the freight in time before this train got in. So as that freight goes through and this TfL rail service comes in, I will leave it here at Ealing Broadway. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's certainly an action-packed video. Plenty of speedy passes of IETs and Heathrow Expresses, plenty of TfL rail services stopping here, and plenty of tube trains coming in and out as well. So plenty of action here in this video. So yeah, pleased with my work here at Ealing Broadway. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video guys, and until next time,
Please ensure you wear your face covering over your nose and mouth at all times on public transport unless you're
yes I know.
It's there to protect us all.
And until next time, from me here at Ealing Broadway, see you all soon guys. Take care.